Welcome to the Currency Index Market Report.
Good morning everyone and welcome to your Monday morning market report with Matt Boyle at Currency Index. In recent weeks we've seen the US dollar go from strength to strength ahead of the much talked about interest rate hike, with the Federal Committee split between a potential raise this summer whilst others suggest next year. As a result, rates for buying the dollar from other currencies and particularly against sterling have been tumbling. Similarly for the pound against the euro, and with the upcoming UK general election and the uncertainty surrounding it, many analysts are suggesting that sterling will weaken heavily as we get closer to the election and to expect rates to drop. Last week, however, was a fairly strange week on the market as we saw a reversal of this suggested trend, with sterling gaining against both the euro and the dollar. Some poor data from the US, including a lower than expected retail sales figure, saw the dollar weaken slightly and allowed a number of currencies to claw back some lost ground. And a continuing weak euro, added with fears over the next Greek repayment, due on the 12th of May, allowed the pound to gain both against the single currency and also the greenback throughout the week. But with Friday's announcement that unemployment in the UK, despite dropping, was not reducing as much as they'd expected, this somewhat halted the pound's advances. Take note, those of you with upcoming currency purchases, particularly with those with a requirement to buy euro or US dollars from sterling, with the UK general election looming and all UK analysts pointing to the drop in rates, this could well be the last window of opportunity to secure rates at these currently high levels. Certainly as we get closer to the election on the 7th of May, we will see increased volatility, and post-election there will be a period where the dust needs to settle. So any of you with a requirement to buy particularly euros or US dollars in the coming weeks should speak to your currency index broker today, who can provide you with some professional and helpful guidance on how to secure your rate. Hope you have a good week. Thanks very much for listening.
Visit currencyindex.co.uk to save money on your next currency exchange, or call us today on 0800 043 2623.